Speaking of moon base, and I can't have an episode without talking about Elon Musk lately, I guess. So his latest scheme is a satellite catapult on the moon, and I don't know, I actually think it sounds kind of cool. So this, and obviously the writer of this doesn't really like their idea or his idea, and apparently some of his engineers don't either. I don't really know how feasible it is. Somebody just kind of freaking said 2 weeks ago, so I'll have to kind of look into that a little bit more. But Elon Musk is making some wild new plans in an XAI meeting with employees. Musk said the company needed to build an AI satellite factory on the moon with a gigantic catapult to launch them into space. Just the way that's worded is does make it sound kind of ridiculous and far-fetched, but all of that would be a part of the billionaire's plan to create a massive orbiting AI data center that uses satellites powered by the sun and kept cool by the vacuum of space. But the transferring of that data is, I think, where the issue lies is how do you get that data, right? So any satellites launched from the moon would presumably orbit the moon as well, but he didn't really specify. So earlier last year on an X post, Musk, he makes some interesting tweets though. So if you remember last year, he made a tweet saying that we're going straight to Mars and the moon is a distraction. And now he's saying, let's do a moon base. So I don't know. Elon tweets can be taken with a grain of salt, I think. Hey everyone, it's Maddie. You just saw a short clip from a longer live video, so make sure to check out the link to that video if you're interested in seeing more. And of course, make sure to like, comment, and share this with somebody who you think would be interested. Thanks a lot. I hope you learned something new today. Peace.